you know it's what I always wanted. Could never have too many things. Well, you quit kicking me under the table. I'm trying, will somebody make us shut up about it? Can we settle down, please?
Shalom, this is your Ark. Yah is magnified, coming back with another informative video. I titled this video, Update to Osiris Client Federal Lawsuit. But before I tackle this subject, as always, I must state for the record, I'm not a lawyer, I do not practice law, and I do not pretend to. All my videos are for informational and educational purposes only. They're all facts and all truth, nothing more, nothing less. So with that being said, let's get to it. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick recap, but some new information came into the court on July 3rd. I'm just looking at it and just seeing it today. But with the new information is this: the Henry County filed their response to Osiris' remaining federal claims, and we're gonna go over that. But the document is 29 pages long. I'm not gonna go over the whole 29 pages. Like I stated before, you all have the case number. Go in there and look it up. Okay, but what I'm going to do is do a quick recap of what we discovered already. So let's read the conclusion. It says, conclusion: in accordance with the foregoing, the court grants DCSS motion to dismiss, meaning the court grants the Division of Child Support Services motion to dismiss Osiris client's claim. Okay, and let's continue. It says, and denies plaintiff motion for alternative services of process on DCSS, meaning that the plaintiff cannot reserve the agency again. So let's continue. It says the court grants in part and denies in part Henry County's motion to dismiss. Specifically, the court grants Henry County motions to dismiss as the plaintiff's state law and punitive damages claims, as well as any claims based upon the acts or omissions of Henry County courts, and denies Henry County's motion to dismiss as the plaintiff remaining federal claims. So now, the main reason why they deny Henry County's motion to dismiss on the remaining of federal claims from Osiris' client is because Henry County never really addressed those issues. They just stuck to the state issues. So now Henry County put in an answer to Osiris' client's remaining federal claims. And after they do that, the court going to read Henry County's answers or responses / rebuttals to Osiris' client's federal claims. And again, Henry County motion will be motion to dismiss will be granted. Henry County will win the case. The case is over with. The judge is going to rule sovereign immunity, and that's it. Okay, but let's continue. It says, in addition, the court denies as moot Henry County's motion to stay discovery and plaintiff's motion to stay discovery, right? And as you can see, this was done again, like I stated in the last video. It was so ordered this 21st day of June 2018. Okay, so that's the 21st day of June. As I stated earlier in this video, Henry County just responded back to Osiris' remaining federal claims, and on July 3rd, 2018. And we're going to go over some of that document, not all of it, because it's 29 pages, and I got other things to do. I'm just here to bring the truth and just show you all, that, hey, I'm on his heels, and the facts is going to be the facts, and he can't rebut these facts. But let's stroll up. This is the other part Osiris didn't want y'all to see, and that's the judge, too, over top. Leah Martin May, United States District Judge. So that's the judge over top. But let's continue. It says number 6 at the bottom, right here where it says 6 at the bottom. It says, nothing in this order precludes Henry County from filing a Rule 12C motion for judgment on the pleading once the pleadings are closed. So again, it's about to be over with soon. The judge just wanted Henry County to really put a real response in against these federal claims, and once they put a defense in against the federal claims, it's going to be over with. Okay, so now with that being said, now let's go to Henry County's answer to Osiris' federal claim. Okay, now as you all can see, same case number, but this is document 23, filed on July 3rd, 2018, as you all can see. Okay, right there, July 3rd, 2018. Okay, so now this is new information. Like I said, this is an update, and the defenses that they enter in is the defenses they enter. They always do these same defenses and they win every time. It's not one time they have lost using these defenses. Why? Because the 11th Amendment immunity backs up their claim, which basically protects them in federal court. Okay, it protects the state and it protects the arm of the states, which is the agencies and the counties. Anything that has, that is an arm of the state, they are protected in federal courts underneath the 11th Amendment immunity. Okay, but now let's read it. It says again, in the United States District Court for the Northern District of Georgia, Atlanta Division. Same plaintiff, same defendant, same case number. Defendants. Defendant Henry County answers and defenses to plaintiff's complaint. Now, they're going to do the defenses first. Now, watch the defenses they use is the same defenses I tell y'all they always use. And they always win. Why? Because they have that part covered. And plus, as I stated before, the state is not a person under 1983 that can be sued. Okay? So when they keep telling you to go in and file these 1983 lawsuits, you can't because the state is not a person underneath the title 1983. Okay? Those are the specific rules that they set out, not me. I'm just bringing this fact of truth into light. Okay? But let's continue. It says, comes now, Henry County, named as a defendant in the above style action by and through undersigned counsel, and respectfully submit this, its answer and defenses to plaintiff's complaint, showing the court the following. First defense. Now this is their first defense of why this case should be dismissed. Plaintiff complaint in whole or in part fails to state a claim against Henry County upon which relief may be granted. Now this is the same topic I be telling y'all over and over and over again. This is the same defense over and over and over again. When they say failure to state a claim upon which relief can be granted, meaning that this court cannot grant relief to that plaintiff claim, even if the claim was valid. They can't grant relief to it. Why? Because they don't have jurisdiction to do so. Why? Because the 11th Amendment sovereign immunity over the state. Okay? But let's continue. Second defense. Henry County did not violate plaintiff's constitutional rights as alleged or otherwise. Third defense. No act or omission of Henry County was the proximate or legal cause of plaintiff alleged damages. Fourth defense. Some or all of the damages sustained by plaintiff, if any, were properly caused by the acts or omissions of other persons, including plaintiff or entities over whom Henry County has no control or responsibility, and therefore Henry County is not liable to the plaintiff. Fifth defense. Henry County asserts the defense of 11th Amendment official governmental sovereign and qualified immunity. So with that being said right there, the case is over with. Okay? It's nothing else to say. They're going to win. And when they win, I'm going to repost that victory up too, just to show everybody, hey, don't take my word for it. I'm calling the future before it happened. His client will lose again. He lost against the DCSS. Now he's going to lose against Henry County. Both of his cases he lost both of them. Okay, but let's continue. Let's go to the last defense, the seventh defense. It says for its seventh defense, Henry County answers the enumerated paragraphs of plaintiff's complaint as follows. So now its seventh defense that it used will be to rebut all the claims, as the judge said that they need to do. So they put their jurisdiction, the first one they chose to rebut is the jurisdiction, and they're rebutting Osiris client's claim in the order that it was presented on the documents. Okay, and it's like, hold on, I think it's like 100 and something paragraphs. Hold on, let me see how many paragraphs it is that they rebutted. They rebutted a lot. Let me see. See right now, this one say Henry County denies the allegations contained in paragraph 35 of plaintiff's complaint, 36 of plaintiff's complaint. Let's keep going down. See how many. We have 46 of. Okay, let's keep scrolling up. 52, 54. Let's go all the way down to the bottom page. Let's keep scrolling up until we get to the end of the last count. Okay, here we go. Here it is. So the Henry County rebutted 109 of the plaintiff's complaints. So the plaintiff, which was Osiris, he entered in 109 complaints, and Henry County just rebutted all of it. Every single one of his complaints, Henry County rebutted. But let's continue. It says, wherefore, having fully responded to plaintiff's complaint, Henry County praised the court inquires into this matter and dismissed plaintiff's complaint as to Henry County, casting all cost upon plaintiff and praise for grant of such other relief as the court deems just to demand. So again, this is just a response from Henry County. Now, after they hit their response in, Osiris can try to send a rebuttal, if he feel as though he need to, but the last one to leave the battlefield loses. I mean, the first one that leaves the battlefield loses, excuse me. So now, with that being said, when the judge come back with his final ruling, I'll post that up again just to show y'all, man, leave that guy alone. He don't know what he's talking about, he have a clue what he's doing. Okay, and I'm still coming up with the Wasil video as well, and his client, and we're going to see if his client received the same response that Osiris' client is receiving. Are both clients receiving failure to state a claim upon which relief can be granted, and are both clients receiving sovereign immunity? You see. So with that being said, though, that's all I'm gonna do for today. All right. I know sometimes you all want to believe in this miraculous victory of going in the federal court, as Osiris and Wasil put it, that you all can go in there and win. But neither one of them show proof of their own victories in any type of court, and they haven't at all. Him or Wasil, no victories from near one of them. We haven't seen that one victory from near one of them in any courts or any of their clients. Plain and simple and plain. And it get no realer than that. If they have them, show it. If they telling you all to go in federal court and file a lawsuit, okay, where's your federal court lawsuit? Let us see it. Hey, the best person to listen to is somebody that done it and can show proof that they done it. If you can't show proof that you done it, then why believe you that you can do it? You haven't done it for yourself. Why do it for me if you can't do it for yourself or show proof you done it for yourself? That's it, man. It's not rocket science to figure these guys out. Like I said, they both had me fooled at one point. I was believing everything they were saying. I was so pressed to get off. Everything they said was sounding great, good to me. Because, hey, I feel as though I can go in there and use their information and win. But come to find out, I put two and two together, especially once I lost with Osiris 3 times. I said, hold up, man. I'm about to start asking these guys to show me that they actually won before I keep moving any further with these guys or even trying to invest any more information or knowledge, to see if they really know what they're talking about. And I asked both of them, show proof that they won. Still waiting for both. No proof yet. Still waiting for both of them. Not one document out here yet. So, hey, I'm only putting out the facts, man. That's it, that's all. They can be mad all they want, but the facts are going to be the facts. And that's one thing they can't rebut is these facts, man. And the only way they can rebut these facts is to put up or shut up. So, with that being said, though, if you all need my help, hit me up in my email at yahismagnified@gmail.com. Okay? Like I stated before, yeah, the news that I bring is the truth, and the truth hurts. Okay? But like I said, I'm not saying you can't win a lawsuit against them. You can win a lawsuit against them, but not in federal court. Okay? So just stay out of federal court. Don't fall for the lies and the dreams, because I just straight showing y'all what the courts are saying. I'm showing y'all what the law is saying. I'm showing y'all case law. I'm showing y'all there people who telling you to come in to do these things, they are losing. By the same reason I'm telling you all they're going to lose. Why? Because when I went through his services, I lost the exact same way. So, come on now. Like the scriptures say, out of the mouth of 2 or 3 witnesses, let each matter be established. So the 3 witnesses is the law I put up, my documents that I got from Armin Osiris that I lost with, and another witness is these case laws right here I'm putting up of Armin Osiris' other clients and of YCO client I'm about to put up as well. Okay, so that document is coming, But when I do his documents, it's gonna be a little lengthy because we're gonna go over his claim and everything else that he entered into the court. So we're gonna go over everything, and we're gonna go over, all his documents. I probably got to do that one in sections as well because it's gonna be a lot of information. So with that being said, though, again, you all be blessed. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy y'all weekend. To all my Israel brothers, Shabbat Shalom. With that being said, peace.